Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer iPhone data to new iPhone with iCloud, right? So first of all guys, make sure that both of your phones have a perfect battery, a good battery, and after that make sure that both the phones have a proper good internet connection. Now we will just go into the settings, then we will just click on the general. Now scroll to the bottom and here you will find option that is called transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on it and here you will get the two options. So just click on erase this iPhone. Then you have to click on continue and click on erase iPhone. And here you can see that your phone is back to your reset mode, right? You will see that. Right now I can't do it because I have only one phone, that's why. Now on your another phone you will see an option that is called, after that you have to click on continue. Basically that is called set up your new iPhone. Then a 6-digit code will appear on your phone and you have to enter that code. Make sure that the code is properly. Then click on enter on your old iPhone. Now enter the passcode which is written on your new iPhone. Now after that it will take a very few seconds, so you have to just wait, and after that just click on continue. And here you can choose your Face ID and you can just set up your iPhone according to you. After that guys, you will see option that is called transfer your data, and after that you can see that download from iCloud. And after that guys, you have to just enter your Apple ID and that's it. So this is the only way how you can just transfer your data from your new iPhone from the old iPhone with the iCloud, right? So this is it. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.